Satellite images of Antarctica reveal a cave with thawed steps leading to it. Antarctica is currently the coldest continent on the planet. The average temperature in this area in the summer months is minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit, and in the winter can drop to minus 128 degrees Fahrenheit. At the same time, the continent is the largest area of land covered by a thick layer of ice, several miles thick, from 1.2 to 3.1 miles. Due to climate change, the ice in Antarctica is melting faster and faster every year. The thawing of glaciers allows us to see what was previously hidden under a layer of ice and snow. Thanks to satellite images, internet users have discovered a bizarre cave at the foot of an icy cliff in Antarctica. Interestingly, there are steps leading to the cave before the entrance. Researchers are beginning to hypothesize about the possible origin of the cave. Some suggest that the cave could have been made artificially. Supporters of this hypothesis believe that the cave leads to a complex of structures built in ancient times, when Antarctica was a flourishing continent with a warm climate. Despite all the fantastic nature of this assumption, such a hypothesis also has a right to exist. Since to this day Antarctica is the least studied continent, and anything can be hidden under the thickness of ice. But the scientific community has a different opinion about the origin of this cave and explains it as follows. During the melting of the ice, an unfilled cavity was exposed at the foot of the cliff, and what at first glance may resemble steps is an ice crust that was formed as a result of running streams of water from the melting snow. Antarctica contains 90% of the world's ice. Scientists have calculated that if all the ice in Antarctica melted at once, sea levels could rise by more than 197 feet. According to NASA, approximately 140 to 150 billion tons of ice in Antarctica melts annually, and about 3 trillion tons of ice have melted since the early 1990s. Satellite image from February 3, 2024. According to satellite maps, the conventional cave has quite impressive dimensions. The width of the cave is approximately 190 feet, and the height is 525 feet. Currently, the cave's appearance on satellite maps has changed slightly. Apparently, an avalanche recently descended from the cliff, partially filling the cave. Over time, satellite images are periodically updated, displaying the current appearance of a particular area. Coordinates of the cave to search on the satellite map: minus 62.008016, -57.754120. Thank you for watching us. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos.